Some sofas demand commitment. Tools, instructions, an afternoon lost to Allen keys and quiet regret. The Opiesit 108-inch boneless modular couch takes a different approach. It arrives compressed, patient, and ready to prove that comfort does not need drama. At first glance, the design feels relaxed and modern, the kind of piece that settles into a room instead of dominating it. Two large modular sections form the foundation, and that simplicity is the secret. Rearrange them and the couch changes character. Push them together for a long, straight sofa. Angle them into an L shape for conversation. Stretch them out into a casual sofa bed for movie nights or unexpected guests. The layout adapts without effort, which makes it especially valuable in small living rooms, apartments, or spaces that have to do more than one job. The boneless construction sets the tone. There is no rigid frame pressing back. Instead, the couch sits low and directly on the floor, giving it a grounded, stable feel. This design choice also removes the usual dust traps hiding underneath traditional sofas. Cleaning becomes simpler. No awkward gaps, no lost items disappearing forever. Comfort is where this sofa quietly wins people over. The plush fabric is ultra soft, smooth, and warm, with a velvety texture that invites sinking in rather than sitting up straight. It feels indulgent without being fragile. The cushions are soft on the surface, yet supportive underneath, especially along the back. It manages the rare balance of feeling cozy without collapsing, which explains why it quickly becomes a favorite nap spot. 5 throw pillows come included, and they are not decorative afterthoughts. They provide real lumbar support when sitting upright and gentle neck support when stretched out on the chaise side. The removable covers make everyday life easier, especially in homes with kids, pets, or frequent guests. These pillows help the couch adapt to different bodies and different moods, from lounging to reading to falling asleep halfway through a show. Setup is almost suspiciously easy. The couch arrives vacuum compressed in 2 boxes. Once unwrapped, it expands rapidly, like it has been waiting to breathe. Within hours, it begins to take its proper shape, and within a day, it feels fully usable. A little kneading helps the foam rebound faster, and light ironing smooths out any wrinkles from packaging. There is no assembly, no hardware, no stress. Just unroll and step back. The size hits a sweet spot. At 108 inches, it offers generous seating without overwhelming the room. It feels substantial but not bulky. The modules are easy to move and reposition, making it friendly for renters or anyone who enjoys rearranging furniture without breaking a sweat. There are practical notes worth knowing. The boxes are heavy, so carrying them inside may require help. Inside the packaging are small desiccant packs, which should be kept away from pets and children during unboxing. And because the couch cannot be re-vacuumed once opened, measuring the space beforehand matters. What stands out most is how naturally this couch becomes part of daily life. It invites lounging, casual gatherings, spontaneous naps, and quiet moments without asking for special treatment. It looks clean and modern, feels genuinely comfortable, and respects the reality of how people actually live. The Opiesit modular boneless couch does not try to impress with complexity. It wins by being easy, soft, adaptable, and surprisingly thoughtful. In a world full of over-designed furniture, that restraint feels like confidence.